Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support, your love, and yeah, thank you for subscribing. And if you are new to my channel, if this is your first time of seeing this lovely face anyway, if this is your first time of seeing this lovely face, my name is Justina, and yes, welcome to my channel. And do not forget to subscribe on your way out. In here we do food recipe, mukbang, chit-chat, vlog, and natural hair videos. Guys, it is a cooking recipe. Yeah. Anyway, in this video we are going to be making a delicious egg sauce. You all know that we Nigerian love egg sauce. Yeah, we're going to be making a delicious egg sauce, but we're not eating it with yam. I know it's popular to eat egg sauce with yam, but we are going to be eating it with boiled Irish potato and boiled butternut squash. Trust me guys, this is delicious. Anyway guys, we are going to go over there. I am going to introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Thank you, and let's go and get started. So guys, this is our ingredients for today. Here I have a plum tomato, tin plum tomato. So that is the way the plum tomato looks. This is the plum tomato I'm using. I have 2 of them in this bowl. I have 2 diced onions. I have 4 Maggi, Nigerian dry chili. I have curry and thyme. I have Nigerian mixed seasoning. I have salt, vegetable oil. I have 7 eggs. So guys, inside this pot is my Irish potato and my butternut squash. I have cut them already. I am going to put the stove on and I am going to start cooking them. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt in them. I'll add a tiny little salt. So basically I am going to cover that part of the pot and we will not look at it until this potato is boiled. So yes, we are just gonna cover the pot and boil the potato until it's done. So guys, and in this pot I am going to add my oil and we will start getting our egg sauce ready. So I'm going to allow that oil to heat up and then we'll add our onions. So guys, while we are waiting for our oil to get hot, this is optional. I like to just take this. See, I have washed my hand. It's very clean. I washed it with soap. So I like to take this. This is optional. You don't have to do it. You can start frying it like that and it will melt away in the pot. But I just like to do this and just slice it small. If you want, it is optional. It's not a must. So guys, it is time to add in our diced onions. So I'm going to fry these onions for like 2 to 3 minutes and then I will add in the tomato. So guys, it is time to add our tomato. You're wondering why it's not bubbling. I took it out from the stove. Okay, I have added the tomato. I'm going to put it back on the stove so you can start boiling. guys, I am going to crack my egg. My tomato sauce is still frying, so I'm going to crack my egg and get it ready. So I decided to add one more egg to my egg to make it 8. I think is 7, so I'll make it 8 because I want this egg sauce to be a little big. So I will leave it and wait until the tomato sauce is ready. So guys, I am done frying my tomato. It is time to start adding our ingredients. I am going to add my Nigerian dry chili. I'm going to add 4 Maggi. I'm going to add mixed seasoning. I'm going to add another one of the mixed seasoning. I'm going to add curry, and I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to mix it around. I'm going to add salt. I'll mix it again. And I will put it back on the stove and start and cook it for like 4 to 5 minutes before I add in my egg. I am going to take out my butternut squash and my potato out of the stove because it is ready now. Okay, so now guys, I am going to add my egg in the tomato. So that is my egg. I'm going to add it in there. So guys, I am going to mix and taste for salt because this sauce is ready. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of salt. I'll mix and give it another 2 minutes and we'll take it out of the stove. So guys, after 2 minutes, it is time to take our egg sauce out from the stove. So guys, this is our egg sauce and our boiled potato and butternut squash, guys. This is life. I love this. This is delicious. Like, look at that. Like, look at that, guys. If you haven't tried butternut squash and egg sauce, you need to get on it. It is super delicious. The egg sauce is tasty. This is where today's recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. And yeah, if you're new here, subscribe on your way out. Give me a thumbs up because it really means a lot to me and my channel in terms of growing it. Thank you so much, and I can't literally wait to dive in and eat this food. So guys, we are done cooking for today. The aroma in here is to die for, guys. It is to die for. Anyway, it is lunchtime in this house and we can't wait to dive in and demolish this food. This egg sauce is super delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up because it really means a lot to me in terms of growing this channel. Your support means the whole world to me in terms of getting this channel out there and keep growing. Yeah, so please don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And if you are new, please do not forget to subscribe on your way out and leave the bell icon on to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on my next one. You know what is coming up in the next video. I can't literally wait to jump on board and make that video for you guys because I'm starving already. Anyway guys, thank you, and I'll see you on my next one. Ta-ta.